Welcome to our exploration of the dynamic world of Python dashboards. Did you know that dashboards can increase decision-making speed by up to 5 times? That's right. In today's fast-paced environment, having the right tools to visualize data effectively is crucial. Whether you're a data analyst, a business owner, or just someone who loves data, creating a dashboard can transform your data into actionable insights. In this video, we'll share essential tips and tricks for building dynamic dashboards using Python, making your data not just informative but truly engaging. So, let's dive in and unlock the power of Python. Why is Python becoming the go-to language for building dashboards? Traditional business intelligence tools often come with limitations, including high costs and steep learning curves. Python, on the other hand, offers unparalleled flexibility and a vibrant ecosystem of libraries. With Python, you can easily customize your dashboard to fit your specific needs, integrate with various data sources, and leverage powerful data manipulation capabilities. This flexibility allows for a more tailored approach to data visualization, making Python a favorite among developers and data scientists alike. Let's explore how you can harness this power. When it comes to building dashboards with Python, one library stands out: Streamlit. Streamlit allows you to create beautiful web apps for your data projects with minimal effort. You can go from script to app in just a few lines of code, which is a game changer for rapid prototyping. Imagine being able to visualize your data interactively without getting bogged down by complex web frameworks. Streamlit's simplicity and user-friendly interface make it accessible for beginners while still powerful enough for seasoned developers. Let's dig deeper into how you can leverage Streamlit to enhance your dashboard. A great dashboard is not just about data, it's also about how that data is presented. User interface (UI) and user experience (UX) play crucial roles in ensuring that your dashboard is not only functional but also intuitive. Clean design, easy navigation, and thoughtful layout can significantly enhance user engagement. Additionally, conducting stakeholder interviews can provide valuable insights into what users need. By understanding your audience, you can create a dashboard that speaks directly to their needs, leading to better decision-making and satisfaction. Let's explore some best practices for UI/UX in dashboard design. Have you ever wished you could filter all your data at once? That's where global filters come into play. Global filters allow users to apply a single filter across all visualizations, making it easier to analyze data from different perspectives. This feature enhances the interactivity of your dashboard and saves time when exploring data. Imagine a sales dashboard where you can filter by region or product category and see all related charts update instantly. Implementing these filters can significantly improve the user experience and make your dashboard more dynamic. Let's see how to set these up effectively. One of the most critical aspects of dashboard development is data handling. A common best practice is to separate data collection from visualization. This means pulling your data from various sources, cleaning it, and then feeding it into your dashboard. Utilizing APIs effectively can streamline this process, allowing you to fetch real-time data effortlessly. By adopting this approach, you ensure that your dashboard remains responsive and efficient, providing users with the most up-to-date information. Let's discuss some strategies for effective data management in your Python dashboards. As we build powerful dashboards, we must also consider security. Understanding the difference between authentication and authorization is essential in Python applications. Authentication verifies who the user is, while authorization determines what they can access. Implementing secure authentication methods like OAuth and ensuring proper authorization controls can protect sensitive data and maintain user privacy. It's crucial to think about security from the start to prevent potential breaches. Let's explore some practical security measures you can integrate into your dashboard projects. As we wrap up our tips, here are some bonus insights for effective data management. First, consider implementing caching strategies to enhance performance, especially if your dashboard pulls from large datasets. Caching can significantly reduce load times and improve user experience. Additionally, don't overlook the benefits of using open-source tools like TYPY for data manipulation. These tools can provide powerful features without the cost of proprietary software. By adopting these practices, you can ensure that your dashboard remains efficient and user-friendly. Let's summarize what we've learned. We've covered a lot of ground today, from the importance of Python in dashboard creation to best practices for design, data handling, and security. Remember, the key to a successful dashboard lies in its ability to present data clearly and interactively. If you found these tips helpful, please give this video a thumbs up, share it with your fellow data enthusiasts, and don't forget to subscribe for more engaging content on Python and data visualization. Your support helps us bring more valuable insights to the community. Thanks for watching, and happy coding.